Okay, well, here we are. This is the KJ Hicapa, the 06 model, the 6-inch inner barrel model. The slide itself is more like 8-9 inches. It is huge, and just to give you a comparison, that's a 3000 BB bottle right there, okay? That, okay, the size of that thing, it's massive. It's bigger than a Desert Eagle. The only thing I will say is, it does not run very well on ultra gas. Don't bother with ultra, it's just very sluggish. It requires propane or CO2. It will not cycle properly on 134 or 44A at all. Ultra, when it's cold, it doesn't like it one bit. Go for something really hefty, get a very nice Coleman's adapter, and just use Coleman propane. Okay, AIRSOFT Innovations adapter, very useful. And use Coleman's, or use CO2. They are completely ready for CO2 and it will not break it. I've been using it on CO2 in that video. The ones where you get a massive plume of smoke, that's the CO2 one. I say smoke, vapor, you know what I mean. Really cool bit of kit. Very impressed with this one. KJ have done a really good job on it. So I would suggest do that and buy one. If you've got small hands, it may not be for you. My hands are fairly large, so you never know. But yeah, that's about it. Overall, great gun. Excellent accuracy and power, range is brilliant, you got a 6-inch barrel in there, and overall, potential wise, yeah, 10 out of 10, I say go for it. KJ well done. Excellent gun. Thanks for watching, subscribe and stay tuned.